Hello, guys, and welcome to the Math Behind the Module. Today, we're doing this thing. This is Module 1, I think. I don't know. So this is the plot your point on the number line. So, let's share out loud.
Exercises complete the diagrams. Outline wants to label number ones.
Shut up. Shut up. Stop. Shut up. Stop. That didn't work very well. We're gonna just tell you guys the answers. Okay, we can add notes apparently. So the answer for this one, as you know, there's 0 in the middle, there's 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and 5 here, as you can see. Now let's actually change the color to black. No, wait, change it to black. Here is 5. 5 is the answer. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Now this is really easy, as you can see. So to plot the point of both number lines, you want to plot it on this one and on this one, right here. The one there. Now show and explain how to find the opposite of your number. Now the opposite of 0 is -0. So to get to -0, you have to do 0 minus 4. So 0, remember the 0 minus 4 equals -0. Now the answer that you put here is -0. Mark the opposite on both number lines. So you put the opposite, so you put 0 plus -0 equals +0, as you can see. Now which number on the opposite of your Indy card? Now as you can see right here, your index card, you just draw it on your paper. Then you put out your favorite Pokemon. My favorite Pokemon is Pidgey, the bird Pokemon. So here's Pidgey. That's a tail. Here's his arms. Let's put his tail wings as well. There we go. There's Pidgey. Now, this is your index card. Just draw him, and then draw this epic boy over here with the module in his hand. So, lesson 2, so for this one, you have to highlight, you have to just cross out this. This isn't part of it. Now, explain how you found the opposite of each point. So how you find the opposite of each point, you draw a very cool dude. The opposite of each point, you have to write down cool dude, and then, I don't know, create a scale in order to graph the numbers 12 through 12. So for here, you have to draw the number line on the thing. You put 3 in the middle, 12 over here, -12 here, and then 2 over here. So you circle 2, and then the opposite of R, label it Q. R equals 4. Opposite of 4 is -5. As you can see right there. Now state a positive integer greater than Q. Q equals 2. T equals F. Let's just skip this one. That one's a bit too hard. Now, words you already know. So for this, you have to write, okay, so you have to take words that you don't know. The words I don't know, like 4, I guess, Tim, 35 is a good word, I don't know. Yeah, then words I want to know, no, these are words I already know. Words I want to know are 25, 150. Words I learned is none, you just write none. Here's the answer. You put 4, you put Tim, and you put 35, then 25 and 150, then you write none. In the third column, write down any new words definition you learned. I learned none. None's a good word I learned. I also learned no new words in this whole paragraph. So, for Tim's 13th birthday, he received 150 cash from his mom. His dad took him to the bank to open a new savings account. Tim's a spoiled little crap, as you guys can see. He's very spoiled. Here's Tim. Let's just X him out. Tim's dead. Tim's dad told me that he's also dead. Event, integer, number. Okay, open a bank with 0. You'll put plus. Here you put plus. Here you put equal sign, greater sign, less sign, and then the dead sign, which is that. That's the dead sign. So we put the number line just right on the number line there. You put the number line right there. And then you put the numbers in the number line, as you can see what I'm doing now. So 0 goes on top, 2 goes over here, 1 goes there, and 3 goes here. Alright. Well, we should probably erase this. Ew. How does it know? Okay, whatever. We're just going to erase this because it just looks very messy. So you highlight this. Yeah. And then you highlight that one too. Then you circle it. You have to circle this one too. Then you X out that. This is into obscurity, as you can see. Nothing there makes sense. Does the temperature 0 degrees mean the same thing on both scales? Here you write yes. Yes is the answer because 0. No, actually, no, it's no. The answer is no. Because 0 and negative 0, no, 0, negative 0, and positive 0 are all really mean numbers. So they are very mean. I do it upside down. They're very mean. So you have to draw this face on the module. Make sure he looks very angry. And give him big teeth. Yes, he's beautiful. Next, write each word under the appropriate column, positive or negative number. Gain is over here, gains here. Losses here. Deposit's there. Deposit goes over here. Credit goes over there. Charge goes over there. Withdraw goes over there, as you can see. Okay, write an integer representing each of the following situations. A company loses $3,400 $500 in 2011. This is plus. You earned 25 for dog sitting. No equals that. Cross out the thing there. Then we have positive 0 for this. Describe a situation that can be modeled by the integer negative 15. A situation, so you can put negative 15 is actually 14. No, actually, negative 15, if the teacher ever asks you this on the test, tell them that negative 15 is equal to positive 14. Because that is true. They will literally give you such good answers if you write that down. Now, express each situation as an integer in the space provided. A gain of 59 points, equal sign, a fee charge of 2, division sign, time sign, plus sign, minus sign, and then the eat sign. The eat sign is actually this man right here with a cigarette. Go. Mark the integer on the thermometer that corresponds to the temperature given. 70 goes here, 12 goes up here, 110 goes over here, and 4 goes over there. Boiling point of the water is 2015. 2015 was a horrible year for YouTube, so we're just going to cross out this question. Okay, now we're in lesson 3. This man is ugly. He's going to die. He falls off the cliff, and then he dies. This man, he drowns. Then he's dead. This guy also drowns, so yeah. Refer back to example 1. So example 1, he dies. They all die, so just put they all die. Simple solution to that answer. Write answers to represent each situation. Use an appropriate scale to graph each of the following situations on the number line to the right. A hiker is 15 feet above sea level. So you put him right here. Then a diver is 20 feet below sea level. He's mean. Diver is the big loser. So he will go up here. For each statement, there are two related statements, I and I. Just cross that one out. I equals X. X equals death. That's what you write. And then you draw the person that gave you the module. And then you put an X on it, and then you show it to the teacher. Write an integer to match the following descriptions. A debit will be plus. A deposit would be less than 3. 15,000 feet above sea level would be minus. Temperature of that would be equal sign. Withdrawal would be greater sign. And 15 feet above sea level would be a Minecraft sign. For problems 2 to 4, read each statement about a real-world situation and the two related statements in part A and B carefully. Circle the correct way to describe each real-world situation. A whale is 60 feet below the surface of the ocean. No. The iceberg is 20. Oh, not the iceberg. You don't know how this ends. Just write. They both die. They both die. Yeah, they both die in that movie. A credit of 35 and a deposit of something with the just write X. Walk the number line. You just write a big boy right here. See this beautiful boy? Give him a smiley face. Give him some hair. Give him a big stick body. He's a beautiful man. And a machine gun. There we go. Now, look and label the opposites in order. Now we draw the fish here. Alright, I think we're going to end our video here. I am actually very skilled. Very skilled at math, as you guys can see. If you guys want more math tutorials for the module, you can leave a like and subscribe also. And if you want more math, more math help, then subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. Also, enter my my module giveaway. You have to subscribe. You have to subscribe to all my videos. Turn on the notification and like my channel. Also, you have to comment down below, "Die in a fire" for extra entries.